Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to airdrop from your iPhone to your MacBook. So first of all, let's go to the Mac, and at the top right here, you're going to see the control center. I want you to click on this one and make sure that Wi-Fi is on. You don't have to be connected to a network. Bluetooth also has to be on. Next, you're going to see AirDrop here. Click on this one and make sure this is set to everyone and AirDrop is also turned on. Next, on your iPhone, you want to swipe down from the top right. If this doesn't work, you want to swipe up from the bottom, and this will bring you to the control center here. Make sure Wi-Fi's on, Bluetooth's on, then just long press and make sure AirDrop is set to everyone. Once you've done this, you just want to find the files that you want to airdrop over to your Mac. Now, this can be anything. You can do this from the Files application if you'd like. So open up the files here. And if you have any files you want to airdrop, you can airdrop those, but I don't have any. So I'm going to do a photo instead. So all you need to do is you just need to long press on either the file or the photo. So just long press, and then we'll tap on the share. And you're going to see AirDrop, tap on AirDrop. And then you should see your Mac. So your Mac should show up here, other people. If you're linked to the same Apple ID, it will just show a regular name. You're going to tap on it. And then you're going to see AirDrop. And then you see right here, your name, would like to share a photo. So this is the name of your iPhone. Just keep that in mind, so it will be different. Just click on accept. You have the option, save to downloads, a photo. So I'm going to click on save to downloads. And you can see, just like that, that's just that picture just airdropped successfully, and there it is. However, well, that's one photo that's going to take a long time to do. Well, if you want to select multiple, well, what you can do is you see the select button, you can tap on this one, and you can just swipe across, right? You can swipe across just like this, and you can also swipe across, and then, so that glitched out, swipe up, and then just like swipe up here. You can see, just do what I do, and it will allow you to select even more. Then you can tap on the share, and then AirDrop, and then that will AirDrop over. But that's going to be a lot more files. If you want to AirDrop a lot of stuff inside the Files application, the best bet is to long press in the empty space, create a new folder, add all the files you want in that folder, then AirDrop that folder over. You will need to be running iOS 13.3 or newer in order for that to work, and a macOS Catalina or newer as well. And really, that's what there is to it. Hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're brand new. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.